Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Transesterification is the process of exchanging the alkoxy group of an ester with another alcohol, producing a new ester and releasing the original alcohol. Step 1. Identify the reactants. The left-hand side shows methyl methacrylate, CH2 is equal to C, CH3, C is equal to O, OCH3, which is an ester, methyl ester, reacting with N-butanol, a higher alcohol, in the presence of concentrated HCl as an acid catalyst. Step 2. Identify the products. The right-hand side shows butyl methacrylate, CH2 is equal to C, CH3, C is equal to O, O, C4H9, and methanol, MeOH. The methoxy group, OCH3, of the original ester has been replaced by the butoxy group, OC4H9, from the butanol, and methanol is released as a byproduct. Step 3. Classify the reaction. Esterification. A requires a carboxylic acid plus alcohol ester plus water. Here, no carboxylic acid is involved. An ester reacts with an alcohol. So, A is incorrect. Saponification. B. Base catalyzed hydrolysis of an ester to give a carboxylate salt and alcohol. No base or water involved here. So, B is incorrect. Hydrolysis. C. Cleavage of the ester bond using water. No water is a reactant here. So, C is incorrect. Transesterification. D. An ester reacts with an alcohol, acid, or base catalyzed to exchange the alkoxy group, forming a new ester and releasing the original alcohol. This exactly matches the reaction shown, methyl methacrylate plus butanol butyl methacrylate plus methanol under acid, HCl, catalysis. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.